Very good morning, students. In today's lecture, I'm going to start a new topic, HTML and introduction. The contents of today's lecture are website, web pages, types of web pages, web browser, home page, HTML, features of HTML, basic structure of HTML document, HTML editors. Now, let's talk about what is a website. A website is a set of web pages or the collection of web pages that contains information about the particular subject on the web, that is onto the internet. This is an example of website where you can see various links through which you can get information about the particular subject. Now the question arises, what is a web page? A web page is a page commonly written in HTML language which consists of information provided by a website. These are displayed by web browsers. This is an example of a web page. There are two types of web pages, static and dynamic. Static web pages are the web pages which includes design of the web page which is done by the HTML. These cannot be modified. Dynamic web pages, these can be modified. Now, what is a web browser? A web browser, these are the application software used to access the internet. If we want to search anything on the internet, we need a web browser. We are using these in our daily life, even in our mobile phones, that are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini, and many more. Let me tell you what is a home page. Home page is the very first page of the website. It can be said that it is a starting page, the main web page, or the initial page. Now let us talk about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means the text written in web page and made it as an hyperlink. Markup means the method of usage of tags in order to make the web pages. Therefore, HTML is the language which is used to design the static web pages that are executed and visible through web browser. These are the features of HTML. HTML is an essential markup language for designing of web pages. HTML language contains some elements which are act as the building blocks of the website. These are not case sensitive. Like HTML language, we can write the source code in the uppercase or into the lower case. That can be the capital alphabets or into the small alphabets. It allows us to use the images and objects to make the changes to make the web page more interactive. The tags are used in this HTML language for every document that are enclosed in angle brackets. Now this is the basic structure of HTML document. Means how every HTML document looks like. In this picture you can see the tags written in angle brackets like HTML head, title and body. HTML on the very first line, then head, then title and then body. These will be written in the same order as in every HTML document. Now we were talking about tags. Tags are the special codes. These head, HTML body, title, these are known as tags, and tags are the special codes used in HTML language and are written in angular brackets. These are understood by the web browser. Like any other language, this is the basic syntax or the layout of HTML source page. Here also you can see that there are the tags, the similar tags which are written over there, and in this we can say that there are two types of tags, that is having the starting tag and the closing tag. The tag which is having the forward slash, it is known as the closing tag, and the tag without forward slash are the starting tags. So the forward slash tag, they are known as the closing tags. Now let's talk about the HTML editors. The text processor and web browser, these are used as an HTML editors. Notepad and Internet Explorer, we are using these two software as an HTML editor. Notepad is used to write the source code of HTML document. We usually write the source code, the programming in this Notepad, and Internet Explorer is used to execute and check whether the design we want is fulfilled or not, whether we are succeeded in making the particular design what we want to make or not. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you so